there's a lot more. My beer's not going to do me any good up there. Okay, here we go. Okay. Taylor, I may need you down here on this muffler.
Down here?
Yeah.
Okay, here it comes.
Okay, that should be free.
Should
be
lift
up on the back a little bit. Trying to come. Oh, there's a ring right there.
Okay.
Those go on the inside. Did they say anything about those? I can't remember. Well, we'll watch the video. Okay, here's one.
Okay.
Needs to come straight off.
Okay.
The angle
So
I
toward
think
you,
has to be. I think you need to lift up on the rear a little more.
Okay.
Try wiggling it back and forth.
Mm-hmm. There it goes. All right. Liberated from the cat, as the guy at the dealership called it.
There's just a little bit of oil on one of these rings.
All right.
Nice and warm.
And that's 20 pounds heavier than the new one, they said.
Well, there you go. I
So,
wondered.
directions are for weenies. No, I'm just kidding. They're definitely for people like me. 2 seconds without the exhaust on it.
Are you kidding me? I'm leaving.
Kind of a rare opportunity, right?
No, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
That's funny.
So something like that. I'm going to have to raise that and block that. Can we do the... Well, no. It's got to be right. It's too much. How's that look? Better, for sure. Is that enough? I think so. Okay. That looks better. Project. Okay. Okay, can you come that way or? Okay. That looks pretty flat. Almost. Hold this right like this. I know. Okay, ready? Now I've got a hold of the important part. Okay, so yeah, hold that down like that. Okay.
Woohoo. Goodbye.
Just grinder work.
Nice. You alright? You need to take you to the hospital now? Oh gosh.
So that was pretty... Ranger? Either the, oh, what do you call that, cutter, or a Dremel. Yeah, the rotozip. Do you have it here? Everything's at Gerald's. I can go get my Dremel. That'd be better than that little rat tail. Okay. Do you have a... All my tools are just
no
at
worries,
this other
man.
job site.
What are you doing for Gerald?
We're making a built-in bookshelf for him.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, it should be pretty cool once it's done.
Awesome.
I thought the cutoff wheel might be better, but... We gotta break through a lot of weld. Yeah, that's right. The cutoff wheel be faster around the
This is kind of the fun part.
Well, if it goes in, it is. Look at that. It's going to go right in. Not a problem.
That's why I call you guys the A-team.
Let's see. Now it must go something like...
It's supposed to go up.
This goes up, right?
Yeah.
But this is the... Isn't that the receiver?
Oh,
for
right.
That's
interesting.
Yeah, it is. It's not visible. It's not visible. Okay.
Okay.
So they reroute that. Yep. Oh, no.
I guess since I'll only be using this on the racetrack, it won't matter.
Yeah, I really can't tell from any of those pictures. I mean, that's up, so it's got to be on the inside.
Yeah. Not a lot of options there.
No. And we can tighten the clamp up last after everything else is hooked up.
Yeah, we got to put that RTV in it though. Sucks. But
Oh, where it goes together?
Yep.
Yeah, but yeah, if we're quick.
Gravity works against you.
Yeah. Can we put the bike upside down? Like we did when we were kids, you know, resting on the handlebar in the seat.
Did you get new mirrors for this too, Taylor? No, it's not. I know the way of it.
It's not. I need a nut or two. sitting there not doing a thing. How come you think you
I
need it?
was waiting for you.
I don't like to do those too much, one side and then the other. They
Yeah, I know.
kind of go together. Okay. Okay, that's
We
finger
are-
tight.
That's all we're doing, right? Till we get
I would
pipe
go
on.
finger tight until everything's in place. I'm beyond finger tight, I mean. Well, they put it back further for one thing. Okay. Now where's the...
Well, that's pretty much how it needs to be to
Right
be
there?
flat, but I'm not sure we actually have the clearance. Okay, that's better. Hold it there, would you?
I got it.
Are we on the tire?
Or on that
We're on
plastic
the
piece.
tire, yes.
Okay.
But what's gonna, when we tighten up that bracket, it should put it in place.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about, because that's flush.
But it needs to come up, doesn't it?
Not really.
Not really? Okay.
Well,
Well, let's go ahead and tighten it, or get it started, and let's see what we have.
you want to RTV it?
Let's see here. Is that?
It does need to come up.
Now that's fine right there. That's not a problem at all.
Come up quite a bit more.
Well, it's tight. It's pretty tight.
There's something wrong.
No problem here, though, right? So this needs to go up in order to connect here. Hold that for me so I look at it from the other side. That's about right there.
I can't get that bolt in.
Yeah. So try it now.
Nope. Okay, there we go.
Okay, now how's it look
And
over
then-
there?
Gotta have, and it's touching that plastic piece.
Here?
Yeah.
I don't think that will bother anything.
Okay, great.
The shield on the other one was touching it, wasn't it?
Uh,
Or do we
I
have
think,
Taylor, can you
I don't think so.
Google it? You didn't give us any, but I sure as hell would feel better with them. Seeing as how you were in charge of the grease.
That doesn't look like the grease I was touching. Okay, now, do I need to do the middle one?
Middle, and then those two.
Okay.
The latter three.
Well, you know how tight they were when you took them off. What'd you think?
It's plumbing to me.
Was it plumbing?
Pretty much. Yeah.
So not that hard.
Really not that hard.
Okay. Well, you're going into an aluminum block, too.
Yeah, yeah. How'd it go with Taylor?
Oh, there's a mark on your headlight bezel.
From what?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, that was there. That was there. He was there when I got it.
I thought he was being a smartass.
No?
Here's some grease on his headlight.
Yeah,
bezel.
totally. That's what I was expecting to see.
There's a dent in your gas tank.
But the exhaust works.
Here, where's my hammer?
Totally.
Just so you don't become too attached.
Yeah.
Put a dent into it right now.
Yeah.
Is this open already?
Yes. Yep. Yep. What'd we do to get that in there?
Oh, I lifted up on it a little bit. Got it?
Maybe.
It's a snug fit, which is good. No
Yeah.
rattle. You got it?
Definitely a system that was made for this exact bike.
Yep.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if they did stuff for others. Other bikes do.
They do, but this is their version that's specifically for this.
Squeezing.
Squeeze me.
Squeeze me, say more. Squeeze me all night long.
Oh, and you used like the smallest opening you could, didn't you?
It's not a large collar.
Got this time lapse, right?
Yeah, speed it up.
Make a machine for this.
I'm sure they will shortly.
Well, if I have anything to say about it.
Yeah, because you want $15 an hour.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, should be fine.
All right, well, let's try it then. Where's that bolt or that nut?
You set it down right on that one right
Nut.
there?
Here, hold on.
Oh, the nut. I don't know where the nut is. There it is.
Okay.
Is that as far as it'll go? Everything lined up for the
it'll
hole?
go more. Okay. So now
Tell
give
me
it
what
a
to push.
front push and then up. Yep. Okay, we're through.
That was
Wow.
better than the first time.
Can you get me the ratchet and then out of that toolbox I need a 12mm wrench.
I thought you had, oh, which toolbox?
You want the 12 or the crescent? We're done, we're in, we're tight.
Okay.
Tight on this.
It is on me. Let's see. It's such an angle for that thing. I'm
Yeah, I know.
a little surprised they did it that way. But it is in a less precarious place. Oh, man, that's still putting a twist into it, isn't it? Okay.
Well, Dad never taught me much.
I can tell.
All right, where'd that crescent go?
Isn't it over there?
Somewhere. Okay. I just can't see it.
And finally, Isaac gets a beer. Well earned. Yeah, when you borrow the mower, aren't you supposed to return it full of gas? That's what my father-in-law taught me.
Mine just SAE?
Yeah, but it's working.
Yeah, never mind.
The fun part.
Oh yeah, we gotta do some Suzuki stuff. Why not? Why not, man?
Hopefully that'll be easier.
Here, I'll let you take care of this goober. I'll take this up,
That looks sharp.
and then I'll bring the bike down.
I can start at 50 yards.
Yeah, that looks
Good
really
thing
nice.
it comes with neutral.
Oh, yeah. That sounds so good.